First of all, let's see what a fireplace is. Fireplaces, as they are utilized and developed nowadays, are something of recent history. In fact, the fireplace has not always been positioned indoors or even up against the wall. It hadn't been regarded for decorative function until recent centuries. In the beginning, fire was used just for heating and cooking. It was usually situated in the heart of the room, the tent, or the igloo, in the form of a fire pit, and there was no other purpose related to it. Around the beginning of the 12th century, the fireplace was relocated from the middle of the room to a position against a wall structure, and at this time the chimney also began to come into use. When fireplaces moved to the wall, mantles were generally only found in the castles and the residence of the wealthy people. In the mid-18th century, people started to decorate around the fireplace, like using a functional shelf-type mantle and also placing portraits above the fireplace. It was during the Victorian era that fireplaces began to grow popular. Have in mind that for many, the word fireplace means the actual fireplace and its surroundings, be it a mantle or any kind of facing. For someone in the industry, fireplace means just a place where the fire is, and the surrounding is a separate project. Now a word about chimneys. Throughout the years, housing design has changed, and so have the fireplaces. People need fireplaces on the second and third floor. On the other hand, the smoke tends to move vertically upward, and sometimes it would want to get back into the room from a window or an opening. So the actual usage of chimney came into play. A masonry chimney was built to allow the smoke to go vertically and flow out from the building. In fact, the chimney was a critical innovation and a game changer in the industry. So the architects and fireplace developers began to seriously study the science of fireplace design. The developments in technology now allow us to have a fireplace almost anywhere in any house, with advanced measures of safety and convenience. Fireplaces are classified in 4 main types based on the fuel or power source: wood burning, gas fire, electric, and biofuel. Each of them have their own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important for you to know which type fulfills your purpose. For example, you need to know which one gives you a lot more heat, which one is more convenient, which one is more decorative in nature without much heat, and which one is good for creating an atmosphere for your parties and gatherings.